Your students are ready to take the test, but the lockdown browser isn't. One small setup mistake can disrupt an entire online exam. So many K-12 teachers use Respondus LockDown Browser without proper training. In this video, you will learn how to set it up, use it, and avoid the most common problems. First, let's know what is Respondus LockDown Browser. It is a secure browser that prevents students from accessing other apps, websites, screenshots, copy-paste, or printing during online exams. Basically, it integrates with LMS platforms like Canvas, Moodle, Blackboard, Brightspace, and Schoology to help maintain exam integrity. System requirements and preparation. Ensure educator and student devices meet the supported system requirements. So for that, install the latest browser version, verify internet connectivity, and have students test their devices before exam day to avoid technical issues. Setting up your first lockdown browser exam. Now, after logging into your learning management system, open the Respondus LockDown Browser dashboard and locate the quiz you want to secure. Enable Lockdown Browser for that assessment. Configure the required security options such as exit, restrictions, or passwords if needed. Then save your settings and publish the quiz so students can access it securely. Student testing experience. Students launch Respondus LockDown Browser instead of their regular browser and sign in to the learning management system. And if required, they complete the authentication process before the exam begins. During the assessment, the browser restricts unauthorized activities while students complete their test. And once finished, they submit the exam to exit the secure testing environment. Monitoring and best practices. Run a practice quiz before the real exam. Explain testing rules. Keep devices updated and monitor student progress to reduce disruptions and improve the testing experience. Now, there are some common problems and their troubleshooting. Common issues include installation failures, launch errors, LMS connection problems, and webcam or microphone permissions. And most of these can be fixed by updating the browser, restarting the device, or checking system requirements. And then we have the BMH expert tip. So always conduct a practice assessment before high stakes exams. It confirms device compatibility, browser setup, and internet stability, preventing most exam day technical problems. This was all. Thanks for watching.